y'all? It's your boy, Magnus.Magneto, back again. This time I'm going to take you guys through my full advanced class warm-up, stretch, / technique. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Warm your ankles each side, each direction a couple times. Switch direction. And switch feet. Other way. Legs together, warm up your knees. And other way. And ins. And outs. Warm up, bum kicks. Keep them up, keep them up. Let's go. High knees. Jump jacks. Mountain climbers. Again, bum kicks. High knees. Jump jacks. Mountain climbers. Bum kicks. High knees. Jumping jacks. Keep going. Adjustments on the way. Go, 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 go. Ready, and 2-step. Hit, hit, hit. Hop, hop, hop. Double hit. And up, and up, and up. And turn, and turn. And back. Hit, hit, hit. Down. And back. Hit, back, hit, back, hit, back, hit, back, hit. Side, 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 side. And turn, 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 turn. And to the side, twist. Hit, 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 hit. Crossover. Double. Breathing, baby. And hit, hit, hit. Switch. Hit, hit. And there we go. Kick, kick. Double, 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 double. Squat and hands, balancing, leg up, raising, switch, out, and hold. Side, leaning this way to raise your leg up. Switch, side, lean, raise. If you're falling, just get back up. Kickouts. Hit, hit, hit. Faster. Crossing. Switch. Front. CC. CC. CC, 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 balance, breathe, switch, balance, and one hand, one hand, one hand, one hand, one hand, one hand, sweep, hook, squat, hook, squat, hook, squat, hook, squat, hook. Squat, hook, low, 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 and kick up, hold, toes together, switch, kick up, hold, 1, 2, hit, 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 center, switch, and CC, hit, 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 center, switch, and CC, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, CC. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, CC. Faster. Hit, hit, left leg, off the ground, over, walk, keep it off, around, center, cross, sit, hook, switch sides, out, center, cross, up, center, around, and hit. Back and shuffle, shuffle, faster, faster, kill it, stretch, and breathe. Switch. Breathe. Both legs straight. The more you breathe, the more you can stretch. So breathe deep. And relax. Butterfly. Chest low. Hands to your sides. On your back. Right leg in, left leg straight off the ground. Squeeze in, pull down. Breathe. Switch. Switch. Squeeze in. Relax your knees into your chest. Left arm down. Look at it. Legs fall away from it. Relax your shoulder down. Push your knees down. You can open up your top leg if you want. Switch sides. On your stomach. Raise up. Relax your pelvis down. It's a hot day today. Whoop whoop. Down and back. Feet flat. Head dropping towards the floor. Lunge right side. Right leg lining up with your left arm. Straight line. Breathe. Switch. And wide. And splits. Center and forwards on your elbows, relaxing your pelvis downwards. Let's go, everybody. Center. Walk yourself back. Sitting down. Push forwards. Chest low to the ground. left. Shake it off. Come up onto your knees. Legs wide. And coming down, all the way down. And relax. Bring yourself up. Center. Neck circles. One way. And the other way. Right side. Breathing. And switch. Wrong day to wear a sweater. Wrong day for that. Down. And up. Arms wide. Left crossed behind. Right over top. And stretching. And holding. Make sure your fingers are interlocked behind you. Or as close as you can. Switch sides. And hold. Wide. Cross. And pull back. As far as you can. Switch sides. Forwards. Shake off your feet. And tops of your hands. Push-up position. Wiggle over your wrists and push your palms up. And down. Up. And down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Last one. Raise. Flat. Switch. Facing you. Walk yourself up. Flat feet. And leaning backwards. Hinge away from your wrists. Sitting down on your knees. Turn your wrists around to the ground. And switch. Away from you. Wrists together. Other direction. Ha ha! And that's my stretch and warm up. Go kill practice now. Get it in. Do something you couldn't yesterday. Crush it! And update me on how this went. Comment down below if you'd like to see more. Subscribe, like, smash that bell button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Blah! So you're hungry. You want more. I was the same growing up as I started breaking, and I'm the same now as I've continued breaking. Which is why I started a weekly newsletter every Monday, Mondays with Magnus, where I'll be sharing anything from breaking to health and everything in the middle that I've found that I can leverage to my advantage to becoming the best human being I can possibly be. To join, all you have to do is email me at Magnus.ff94@gmail.com, and I will see you Monday.